Green Toys yellow and red dump truck. We absolutely love Green Toys as a better for you brand with no BPAs in there, yet super durable and made to stand the test of time. We've had this truck for over 4 years and it's made it through 3 kids, both inside and outside play. What I love about this truck is that it is just so simple, encourages creative play and imagination, but also is a working truck. As you can see, it rolls nice and easily and has the dump on there. It is lightweight, but super durable and perfect for your little toddler or preschooler. Again, absolutely love Green Toys as a safer for you brand, and this is no exception. No complaints on this one. It's a highly recommend from me.